Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your public watch hours on YouTube. So, let's get started. First, open the YouTube Studio app on your phone. Next, tap on Analytics at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see different performance details for your channel. Swipe across until you find Watch Time or Watch Hours. By default, YouTube shows data for the last 28 days. To check your public watch hours for monetization, change this to 365 days. Now, look at the Watch Time, Hours section. To qualify for monetization, your channel needs 4,000 public watch hours within the last 12 months. If you want to check your monetization status, tap on the Earn tab, the little dollar sign at the bottom. Here, YouTube will show how close you are to meeting the monetization requirements. You'll also see the Shorts requirement, which is 10 million Shorts views in the last 90 days, as an alternative way to monetize. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more YouTube tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.